Hey guys, so we had to modify this build a little bit because once we got the topographical survey in, so essentially the creeks that are on this property, all of the trees that are on this property, mainly the creeks and the elevation, like the sloping and all of that, we decided to reorient the house to better fit because we were a little bit wider. So we've got a lot of the same details or things that we wanted. So here, I'll just back out real quick. So this is the street right here. So our driveway would start about here, and we would be, I'll just kind of take you through this like you were driving up. So driving over a culvert and a little bridge here. This is our 3-car garage. This door here is our utility closet. Not quite sexy, but it's there. And so here's our front door. So this table is not going to be here. It's going to be flipped and running essentially with the length of the island here. And the table we have chosen for this is going to be a little bit smaller. But essentially here's our living room. Oh, sneaking through doors. So, and the nice thing about this little pop out where the front door is that it kind of creates this reading nook, and it gives some character to the room. But this will be fireplace, TV, ton of glass here. And let me go back to, because I'm a morning person, so this is the 6 o'clock in the morning view, essentially. So how the sun will set or rise. So here's the kitchen. This glass enclosed area is going to be our liquor area, so wine, bottles of liquor, humidor, and then this is going to be our refrigeration and ice maker for like sodas, juice, stuff for the kids. That way it's out of the glass, and so we don't have any risk of kids like running in and slamming glass doors. This is our mud room. That door back there is the garage, so this room will be where we keep our brooms, vacuum cleaners, stuff like that, plus jackets and all that good stuff. This is the first bedroom, so this is the guest room. You can see it's got a humongous slider in it. This is a walk-in closet, a small one, and then this is a full bath for the guests. And then there is a kitchenette in here. And the cool thing is that the setback off this lot creates an opportunity for just a nice view waking up in the morning, man. Alright, so let's get out of here. Just gonna walk through this area. So this is a full bath. Let's see here. And then this is second bedroom. So this is a bigger walk-in closet. The walk-in closet for the guest room is just a place. It's a little bit deeper than a standard closet, just to be able to house like a briefcase and hang in some clothes. But this is bedroom 1. This is probably the one that our son will be staying in, our oldest son, rather. Now this is a mechanical closet, so tankless water heater, possibly smart home stuff will be in here. Pretty cool. And then this is bedroom number 2. It's got a walk-in closet, and we decided to do a Jack and Jill bathroom on this. So here's this. There's going to be like a linen closet here for towels for this room. We've got the full tub shower. Vanity here for the other bedroom. So nice view from there. And then when you come out, this is the laundry and dog washing room for this side of the house. So it's really cool, and it's not that expensive to throw in 2 laundry rooms. We have another laundry room in the master bedroom, so it's really not crazy expensive. You're talking about running some rough, electrical and plumbing and get everything stubbed out for those things, for those appliances. And then it's going to be a room regardless, right? So that stuff's the same. So this is the office for us. And this is more of like an isolation booth. And then this right here on the other side of this room is only accessible from the exterior, but this is where we're going to put like pool stuff. So pool toys, cushions for chairs, things like that. So for us, it is a little bit of a walk from the pool, but it is out of sight, out of mind, helps us stay organized. That's one of our biggest things that we need. Nice window off the office here, but plenty of desk space in that corner and in this corner. So this is just a little cigar patio. So for a lot of the clients that we have, we'll sit and we'll have cocktails and we'll have cigars and we'll just, build relationships out here, essentially. And then the master, I love that the master has this glass hallway. It's amazing. And I love all the glass down here that features that staircase, which I'll come to that in a sec. So these doors open here, so do these doors, and then the doors across the patio open as well. So we can create one huge entertaining space. Here's the master bedroom. So we've got a fireplace that you can see through. So that's kind of the view when you wake up in the morning. Plus we have all this glass here. Purposely put the jacuzzi right outside the master just because it's easy access for us. So this is my side of the room. So this is our safe. This is my closet space. I don't need much. This is his toilet. There's another nice window out here. And then this is my vanity here. This is wifey's vanity here. We're going to put a tall linen closet here, or cabinet. Nice soaker tub with a view and a really nice shower enclosure here. But all taking advantage of the view. So when you're in the shower, you're getting all this natural light. So it's really cool. And then this is her closet. So you see she's got a lot more stuff than I do. And then this is by the way, I love that view walking down this hallway in the morning. It's amazing. This is the laundry room for the master. So small, we're probably going to do a small stackable with some shelves in here. We'll put like a Swiffer and all that stuff in here for our room because we're going to be doing polished concrete floors throughout most of this house. So we've got that, and then let me go upstairs now to the game room. And this is going to be the game room / gym. So in this section over here, we're going to put all of our gym equipment. I'm not sure if we're going to partition this yet with glass or anything like that, but I think we will. And then this is going to be game room. So on one section of this, we're going to put a pool table, and then on the other, we're going to have a sofa with a table and TVs and games and all that good stuff. And then for this, just have a dedicated deck out here for this space. Can't get up to it from stairs outside, which we kind of like. But it's just a place to hang out if you're gaming and all of that good stuff. So now let's go outside to the backyard. So one of the things that we were absolutely trying to figure out with this backyard was how do we fit a dining room table and a bar with seating, like at the barbecue, and still have a TV. So this was the solution because we didn't have a lot of space, and I didn't want to put a table out there and make people feel like when they got up from the table they're going to fall out from the pool. So this was our solution. So our barbecue is going to go in the middle of this island on the backside. We'll have seating around. So we'll have 4 people sitting at the bar, and then we can sit up to 6 people. So it's going to be around 10 people that are able to sit here. The TV will be on that back wall. Then we've got a little bit of storage here, outdoor refrigeration, a sink. This is the view from when you're grilling, so you can entertain here, here, and here. So we created a really nice space. Love the pool deck with the loungers, and then the jacuzzi is just perfect for us. It'll probably fit like 4 to 6 people. But one of my favorite things about this is the infinity edge pool. So this is kind of the view from the pool area, right? You get a lot of everything here. And if you want to look at it for like the afternoon, because that's when folks are probably swimming. So this is like the sunlight coverage that we would get, right, throughout the day. So this is 2, this is 3 o'clock. So we get a lot of sun up until 5 o'clock. which is perfect for us. So yeah, this is the reorientation and kind of redesign of our house now that we have the topographical survey in. And yeah, hope you enjoyed walking through this with me. We'll talk to you soon.